Hey guys, it's Joey and welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in this V6 Slim. I have been planning in this pretty much the entire summer and I'm using Sweet Kawaii Designs kits. I've been using her monthly subscription and I'm going to continue doing that. Sorry about that guys, I was getting a phone call in for my son Logan. You watched well, I don't know if I've uploaded it yet. So I have a video coming for my monthly setup in my September monthly calendar, and it's all about the saga that is football and COVID and all these silly, crazy things that are happening in the world. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. I apologize for that. Nobody in our family has COVID, which is great. That is why I was taking the phone call. I only need to lay down the date headers. Okay, so this is the August kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. That is the monthly kit. You know what, I'm trying to do something here and I think I'm just struggling big time. Okay, I think I set him up higher than I usually do, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna go for it and we're gonna just go with it. It's not gonna be perfect. It seems to be the theme of my week. Oh my goodness, you guys. Holy cannoli. Anyway. So how about you guys? Have your kids started back? Let me know in the comments how school is going for them this year. How different is it? How much of the same is it from last year? Like, has it changed for them? My kids, it has changed somewhat. For my high schoolers, it's changed a lot. They are taking classes at our career center in their prospective fields that they want to pursue. And they are both vaccinated, and so they are not requiring masks at our high schools. But the elementaries are, obviously anybody 12 and under are not vaccinated, and so they do require them and staff to wear masks. It's just hard. It's just hard. They're sad about that. All right, so I am pretty much done with that. Okay, so let me go ahead and lay down my numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that we will have a payday on Friday. Nope, is that true? No, we will not. We will have it on Wednesday. So let me put that there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down these. Check boxes. They're lemons. They're so cute. Sorry, it's turned sideways. It's just the easiest way for me to like see it and line it up. And then I'm going to do this little lemon like banner for the weekend. And then my little weekend banner, I'm gonna put over here on this side. because it's so cute. Little lemon slices. And if you know me, you know I love lemons. I love lemon slices. I love all of that. All right, so on Friday, this is officially my last day off. So I am actually going to be putting So Long Summer. Sad face me. So Long Summer. I'm gonna put in a little header in between. And I'm gonna put a little header after, and I'm going to wait and see if I think we should be, yeah, we should definitely be back to football. So we should, well, I don't know if we'll have football that night, actually. I think they're veering away from having football throughout on Fridays. I think they're doing away with that. So, all right, I'm gonna put this guy down here, and Mondays are kind of our busy days. So I'm going to put a header. That was the same color. I don't want that. I'm not color blocking, so I know it seems like it with all that all being pink, but I'm not gonna color block for this one. So just said that, and then I chose something like that was the same color. Okay. Here we go. And let's see. I'm gonna move my pink over just a tad. I feel like it's all right. And then on Tuesday, and I'm going to do this. Oh, it's the same color. And this one's a little darker. I put this guy down. And then just because I have some extras of these, I'm gonna go ahead and lay this guy down. Actually, I might put a header underneath it because this is my last week for this kit. And kind of want to use up as many stickers as possible. So let me see if I can. Oh, that's totally off. I don't know what I'm doing here, you guys. I'm on the struggle bus. I think this is wider. I think that's like supposed to be like a monthly box, and it's just wide. So we're just gonna go with it. Oh, here it is. I'm like, what did I do with my lemons? Here my dogs are barking upstairs. Oh my gosh, you guys. My house is gone to the dogs. All right. And then, let's see. And I'm just kind of laying down what I have, like, as a thought right now. Yeah, these boxes are definitely wider, but I'm just gonna go with it. Because I don't really have any huge plans for this week, with Logan having to stay home and quarantine. It's just not, there's just nothing, like, it's just kind of a mess. Let's do this little lemon header. Let's see, anything else? I do have some extra little boxes, so maybe I will come through and just kind of lay a couple down here and there. Maybe this one here, and this guy here. And do this yellow one here. And I think I will do this turquoise one here. And let's see. I always put like this week down here. So I will put both of those here. And I'm gonna lay this guy like right here to track. And then this adorable little Poe, I'm gonna put like right here. Oops. Because even if we have a game on Saturday, I'm gonna actually move that weekend banner over it. Even if we have a game on Saturday, which we very likely will, I can still kind of mark that when I put it up here, because we don't usually have a ton of stuff going in on Sundays. So, let's see, that can use little lemon slices, so we'll put that there. Do you have any other lemon slices? No. Okay. Sorry, I just have extra boxes, so I'm going to use them up because I don't know when else I would want to use this kit. Like, there's just not a ton of other reasons to stick anything else in that would work for this kit. And this one I'm gonna go ahead and stick in, and it's not gonna have a header in between it, but that's okay. All right, let's see. Any others? All right, I know, let's see, I laid my payday sticker down, and that was pretty much it. I know this was kind of a quick plan with me. I really just laid some stickers down to sort of pre-plan, and I don't have any appointments this week. I'm sure this will all get filled out as it goes, but with Logan being at home now, it's just kind of thrown a wrench into it. So everything has been canceled. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel out a whole lot. And if you enjoy my content, my planning content, then I invite you to hit subscribe, because I do a lot more videos like this. And so I'd love to have you in my community. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great week. Bye.